I'm fixing attitude insane. You have to lead, fix the attitude of yourself, fix the attitude of your administration, fix the attitude of your laws, compliance, and let the people follow the lead.
Leadership by example.
Example. Leadership. We don't let somebody, we need only a leader. Chinese, post-Second World War, when the world turned against them because of their problems with Japan, and even though they fought with the Western allies, when the war was over, Chinese became an enemy of the world. They decided not to do politics. They decided to choose a leader. Until today, Communist Party chooses a leader, not who will come and speak. Come with your program. When the best team did COVID, I grounded the whole world. I'm a Chinese, I am stronger. That is what they are doing. Leadership. Leadership.
And for us, we've not had some.
You don't have. Because we don't groom them. We join. We don't groom. And serious nations groom.
That's another issue that you've raised there. Another point that you've raised there.
I said, we don't groom them.
We don't groom our leaders.
No.
They just enter.
They join the system. And South is the country demonstration. Some of us, we cannot join. The reason is that it hurts my heart and my soul to see, say, politicians in this country, some of them, shamelessly, so youth, allow them. Let the youth now all suffer. Or university. Our bre only baby. Let them talk. Now more than $20 million. Ego accounts man who they are. Now for political expediency and the political jogging. No could actually say, "Oh, fix the country." Unya chance no more fixing the door say. How many and how much have all of them fixed this country? It's not a fix the country. Fix the economy. Let me have my economic freedom. Don't give me a political freedom. I want economic freedom. That is the Chinese ideologies. What did look on you? How do we call it? Your friend is a Chairman Mao Kai. Or say, I will not give you political freedom called democracy. I'll give you industrial freedom. And at the right time, those with political freedom will chase after you. That time, I'm gone. But you have the happiness to live. That is Chinese today. Why there was so only party be or China? Your democracy or China? Paul Kagame, the most undemocratic president on the continent of Africa. Go out there and see things that he's doing. About what I said. Now, meaning when you raise the subject, we tackle the issue of the face the country.
I feel understand here, but there are a couple of messages that people are sending in personally.
Okay.
Or say this one is from Niawule. Or say, if I kindly tell our Wahab that I love him very much, and about 2 years now I am suffering to get his contact.
Okay.
I think not just him, not just Niawule. There is another one here. Good afternoon, Mr. Sifa. Please, can you help me get Mr. Al Wahab?
I strongly disbelieve Sebit Mayejuma. Because today, and then you may ebedu China and Opano, you better government communications to disagree on points raised by the youth, and that the government is doing all her best to solve the problems of the youth. Yebenya party stewards, yebenya politicians, ubenya so obi kabia ma youth na ye opposition. Ubenya ma obi kabi said the youth no ye no any omunyama points o ma raise no ye correct ana say or support no na ye omususu a o ma ba abam eko na o mo pe kwan ba abam, and I'm referring to the NDC. I'll not cover anybody here. Any politician be our youth nechi support to be because they are also willing to come or they wish to come back to power. But the youth are separate, neutral. Omaseme mobo. The Ghanaian youth. Omaseme mobo. This is the country that the youth do not know how to demonstrate. This is the country that the youth are so calm they cannot talk. This is the country that the complete youth, where we SHS, the next destination a traffic light, now or home for glasses in so on demonstrating. This is a country of what traders, beautiful girls, beautiful women, a man and crash omachi, a man, young girls, now who traffic man, now in crowns are fadging, or shell stick, where he prone to come and hips I find, nor the tones you, what does he seek to tell you? Are we happy seeing the youth wasting their energies and their time? And when would they redirect and reconstruct and bring back their life to normalcy? Have we thought about that? Have we thought about that? Free poor home. What you call SHS were we? The bus stop. Do you tell me, say a youth at 18 years, or best one year, 35, no so near? How do you have a country who be 45 years, no a Shushan boy? You can't call him Shushan man, no. Shushan boy at 45 years. How many of them out there? Fix the country is fix the economy. Now let's come to why the country has not been able, we haven't been able to fix. Because we've not been able to fix the economy. And how do we fix economy of a country?
Why have we not been able to fix the economy?
And then I make sure, say, I'm surprised, and very surprised. So we've had in our real time, you have 2 governors, deputy governors of Bank of Ghana, i.e. Pakwesi Mr. Late, i.e. Dr. Mumuni Baumia, current, present, vice president. Yabenya Bank of Ghana governor, former Dr. Kufo, which may be finance minister, and many others. The country we are not fixing because we are concentrated on internally generated fund stupidity, lazy economy. When countries are talking about creating wealth, you can only create wealth to fix your economy, not to rely on internally generated fund.
And we've not been creating wealth.
We don't create wealth. Well, tell me one single wealth. Let any economists in Ghana here, let the professors, and I'm referring to the government economists, to tell me how we create wealth in this country. What wealth have we created? What wealth have we created? Countries become popular, rich, or liberty. Obianti me millionaire. God didn't create God a world like that. Obianti me millionaire. But marginally, Obianya na hoto kakra. Those are the countries that create wealth. And the wealth is the finance. The wealth is the money. The money is what goes into the system and liberate the people. Then you turn the country into a service nation by allowing the people who are benefited from the wealth now creating untia tax na country to move forward. Who your internally generated fund? Who get taxes? But you've not given the money. You haven't created the wealth for the people to tax, to tap on. Now calling a taxer. It's not lazy economy. Now let me explain. And I bring countries into perspective. The Republic of South Africa. Only the biggest gold mining company, a country in the whole of Africa. Sika omu di ene nsamoni omu di wo kromo ne ade ade no country onya budget deficit da or budget surplus. Why? O create wealth. How do they create the wealth? New gold industry. Gold is cash. Gold is money. The precious minerals. On cotton concession ma individual bi se kotu. Na me ame de me pem kotu ya me ba me siminya 10 grams into me 5% tax. There be. Onwana na etu ni gold. Onwana na managing the mineral resources. Onwana na nim ekwa fasudi ni nsuo.